Hello, welcome to the Toys channel. Today I've got another video for you, and I've got another Playmobil egg here. Very, very cool. And we're going to see what's in there, because I have no idea. And yeah, it's I think something with a pirate here, as you can see on the side. So it's for age 3 to 10 years old. Number 4945 has 14 pieces, or contains 14 pieces. So you can see you've got like the map there to look for the treasure. You've got like a golden pieces there, a gun or revolver. Yeah, we're gonna see what is actually in there. Well, here we go. As you can see on the front, you've got a Playmobil head. And on the other side the same way. So I think what we press both together and it opens it up. And here we are. It can be a piggy bank as well. You can place money in there. Alright, 2 little bags. A little description there and another one there. Right, here we are. This is our cool gentleman with a little ponytail, big earrings, and you've got a beard. He's got a pirate eye thing on. Chest here. He's got a big, like a vest on with white sleeves and a string. A beige trousers, white socks and black shoes. And he's got like a scarf. I think we have to place this in the arm, so I think we have to hold it back up. Like a cherub. Oh, the hair fell off as well. Oh goodness. Maybe that way we can place it on there. And then the hair back up. Alright, here we go, the cherub. I think you can place something in there as well. Oh, there we go, our gun. The revolver. You can see a little gap there. Maybe there's a sword as well, or oh no, second gun. Yep, with both suits. They've got a golden, yeah, statue thingy. We've got a snake. A little shuffle. I think this might be our map. You can place it on there and twist it round. Like a compass, I think. We've got a head here, skeleton head. And a tree. With some branches. Very grey, very dark. And we've got some leaves here. A little bit old. Nearly like autumn time colors. It was a bit of a hassle to get them in, but it's all there. Right, that's our whole collection. Hopefully we can find the treasure on this map. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, then please subscribe to our channel down below for free and always be the first one to be informed about new videos. We have loads more videos for you, and we've got loads more Playmobil videos, for example, as well. So I'd say have a look on that. If you've got any questions or comments, please write them down below, and we're happy to answer and reply to them. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed our video, and we'll see you soon next time at the Toys channel. Have a good day. Bye!